Ever heard of a magical number that can predict a company's success? No, I'm not talking about 7, the number of wonders of the world. I'm talking about the Rule of 40. Now, you might be thinking, what on earth is the Rule of 40? And honestly, you wouldn't be alone. It's a concept that's buzzing around the tech world, and it's particularly relevant if you're in the SaaS space, especially if you're using a platform like ServiceTitan. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the Rule of 40, deciphering its meaning, understanding its significance for ServiceTitan users, and most importantly, figuring out how to leverage it to skyrocket your own business growth. What is the Rule of 40? The Rule of 40 is a simple yet powerful metric used to evaluate the health and growth trajectory of SaaS companies. Essentially, it states that a company's revenue growth rate plus its profit margin should ideally add up to 40% or more. Let's break that down. Revenue growth rate. This is the percentage increase in your company's revenue over a specific period, usually year over year. Profit margin. This represents the percentage of revenue that translates into profit after deducting all expenses. The Rule of 40 in action. Let's say your company experienced 25% revenue growth last year. To satisfy the Rule of 40, your profit margin would need to be at least 15%. 25% growth plus 15% profit margin equals 40%. Conversely, if your profit margin is a healthy 20%, your revenue growth rate would only need to be 20% to meet the Rule of 40. Why is the Rule of 40 important? The Rule of 40 provides a valuable framework for SaaS companies like those using ServiceTitan to assess overall health. It gives a holistic view of your company's performance, considering both growth and profitability. Prioritize growth strategies. If your revenue growth is lagging, you might need to focus on acquiring new customers or expanding into new markets. If your profit margins are thin, you might need to optimize your pricing, reduce costs, or improve operational efficiency. Make data-driven decisions. The Rule of 40 encourages you to analyze your key performance indicators, KPIs, and make informed decisions about your business strategy. Attract investors. Investors often use the Rule of 40 as a benchmark to evaluate the investment potential of SaaS companies. How ServiceTitan can help you meet the Rule of 40. ServiceTitan, with its comprehensive suite of tools and features, can significantly help you achieve the Rule of 40. Here's how. Boost revenue growth. Streamline sales processes. ServiceTitan's CRM and sales automation tools help you manage leads effectively, nurture relationships with potential customers, and close deals faster. Enhanced customer experience. By providing a seamless and personalized customer experience, you can increase customer satisfaction, build brand loyalty, and drive repeat business. ServiceTitan's features like online scheduling, automated appointment reminders, and customer communication tools all contribute to this. Expanded service offerings. ServiceTitan enables you to offer a wider range of services, such as preventative maintenance programs, equipment upgrades, and financing options, which can increase revenue per customer. Improve profitability. Increased operational efficiency. ServiceTitan automates many time-consuming tasks, such as scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities. Reduced costs. By streamlining operations and minimizing manual processes, you can significantly reduce administrative costs. Improved inventory management. ServiceTitan's inventory management tools help you track stock levels, minimize waste, and optimize purchasing decisions, leading to cost savings. Enhanced project management. ServiceTitan's project management features enable you to accurately estimate costs, track project progress, and identify potential cost overruns, improving project profitability. Tips for meeting the Rule of 40 with ServiceTitan. Leverage ServiceTitan's reporting and analytics. Track key metrics related to revenue growth and profitability. Identify areas for improvement and prioritize your efforts. Optimize your ServiceTitan workflow. Streamline your processes and eliminate bottlenecks. Customize your ServiceTitan settings to best suit your business needs. Continuously train your team. Ensure your team is proficient in using all the features of ServiceTitan. Encourage them to explore new functionalities and find innovative ways to improve efficiency. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Use ServiceTitan's tools to provide exceptional customer service. Gather customer feedback and use it to improve your offerings. Stay updated with ServiceTitan's latest features. Regularly explore the latest updates and releases from ServiceTitan. Implement new features that can help you achieve your business goals. The Rule of 40 is a valuable benchmark for SaaS companies, including those using ServiceTitan. By focusing on both revenue growth and profitability, you can build a sustainable and successful business. ServiceTitan provides a powerful platform to help you achieve the Rule of 40 by streamlining operations, increasing efficiency, and improving customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.